Stop wasting hours cutting clips, syncing audio, and adding captions. It's 2025, and AI can now edit your videos better and faster than most humans. But here's the truth. Not every AI video editor is worth your time. Some are just hype. Others are absolute game changers. So today, we're breaking down the top 5 best AI video editing tools of 2025, and which ones you should actually trust for YouTube, TikTok, or short-form content. Let's jump right in. First up, Pika Labs. This tool has exploded in 2025. Originally known for text-to-video, Pika now lets you edit, extend, and transform video scenes entirely through AI prompts. You can literally type, zoom in on the main subject, and add cinematic lighting, and boom, it does it. Perfect for creators making YouTube shorts, ads, or cinematic content without touching a timeline. Pros: stunning visuals, no editing skill needed. Cons: still in beta for long videos, better for short, high-impact clips. Next is Descript, and this one's perfect. If you create talking videos or tutorials, it automatically transcribes your voice, so you edit your video like text, delete a word in the script, and the same word disappears from your video. Crazy efficient. Plus, their overdub AI voice cloning feature lets you fix mistakes without just type the correction, and your cloned voice says it naturally. Pros: game changer for YouTubers and podcasters. Cons: doesn't handle cinematic or heavy editing, but for voice-based content, it's unmatched. Third, Runway ML, the powerhouse behind many viral AI edits. Runway's Gen 2 engine can create scenes from text, remove objects, track motion, and even generate AI. You can upload a rough video and make it look like a Netflix trailer in minutes. Pros: best for visual storytelling, film-like results. Cons: needs strong internet plus premium plan for full features. Number 4. Filmora AI Suite. This one's the most beginner-friendly option for 2025. It includes AI silence detection, auto-captioning, AI audio denoise, and even AI thumbnail generation. Basically, you can edit full-length YouTube videos with drag-and-drop automation. Pros: clean interface, easy learning curve. Cons: watermark on free plan upgrade, needed for serious creators. Finally, Veed.io, the web-based AI editor that's dominating short-form creators. In 2025, they've added full AI script-to-video, auto-subtitles in multiple languages, and smart templates for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels. Pros: everything runs online, no downloads. Cons: slightly limited creative control compared to desktop tools. So, which AI video editor should you use in 2025? If you want cinematic AI videos, go with Runway. If you're a YouTuber or educator, pick Descript for beginners or fast shorts. Filmora AI or Veed.io is your best bet. And if you want to create videos from pure imagination, Pika Labs is the future. AI is no longer replacing editors, it's supercharging them. The only mistake you can make is choosing the wrong tool. Hit that like button if this helped, and comment which AI editor you're using right now. I'll reply with custom workflow tips.